This is standard 8th geography, lesson number 1, local time and standard time. We get up early in the morning and follow our daily routine and carry activities throughout the day. So we know that our time, that is, we get up early in the morning, and till from morning onwards we do a lot of activity. We follow our daily routine, that is, we do breakfast, then we get ready for our all schooling or work purpose, and then in the evening we come back, and then we take rest in the night. So this is our whole routine, and this goes daily. It is, we follow this regularly. Now we need to decide the time for our activities. In olden days, what used to happen? In olden days, people used to take the help of various tools and depended on the natural events for the measurement of time. That means the people in olden times, they were also very learned, they were curious, they were knowledgeable, and they were wise enough. So they used their observation, they used their minds, they used their brains, and what they did, they made their various tools, different tools, and depended on the natural events for the measurement of time, that how to calculate or how to measure the time. On the basis of observation and experience, they divided the day into following parts. Now, they were on the basis of observation and experience. What they did, they divided the day into following parts. From sunrise to sunset, they called it daytime, and sunset to the next morning, that is next sunrise, they called it night time. Now the tools that they used were Ghatika Patra, one of the tool, and the sand timer. This was the these two tools, types of tools they were having, and they were used to tell the time. Now we know that Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. How many hours? 24 hours to complete one rotation. And we know the fact that sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west. So sunrise and sunset time. Sunrise in the east and sunset is in the west. And so rotation, so the earth, what happens to earth? Earth rotates from west to east, and this is the direction of earth's rotation, west to east. Now as a result, we experience sunrise, noon, sunset, and midnight. So this timings we experience this: sunrise, noon, then, and when sunrise is there, the sky, the color of the sky is also different. Then in the noon, it is the different, bright, very bright. Then when the sun sets, that time also the sky, we can the color of the sky changes. And midnight is, you know that it's a midnight. So here what happens, during noon time it is very much hot, and during sunrise and sunset it is little bit cooler. Yes, and in the night it is very much cooler compared to the morning and the evening time. Now we know that there are 4 directions. How many? 4 directions: north, south, east, west. Yes, our location is in west side, right? We are in Mumbai, so we are in the western. We are the western coast, as we all know. Now, when I am talking about Earth, you can see here I have drawn here. This is a diagram. It's an example I have given. This is the equator line, 0 degree. Yes, it is not actual line that is there, but it is what? It is the imaginary line and it is 0 degree latitude. So here we north side is there, then south, north pole, south pole, east and west, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Yes. Now what happens? For example, we know that Earth moves around Sun. Sun is having a fixed place. Okay, Sun is having a fixed place. It is not moving anywhere in our solar system. If you have studied, and you have studied, right? So we do. Earth is one of the planet, and Sun is having the fixed place in our solar system, and all other planets, they are moving around the Sun in their own orbit. So they have their own paths and they don't dash to each other, but they do have a fixed position, and in their own path they are moving around the Sun. So we when the part which comes in front of the Sun and it experiences in the rays of the Sun, you can see here some small arrows I have drawn here. So as the light falls on this part, that part experiences day, and the other part that experiences night. Okay, and Sun is having, as I said, Sun is having a fixed place. So it appears to us that the Sun is moving. So from our point of view, when we are standing and we are looking up in the sky, we cannot directly see at the Sun because it's very bright. Yes, but when we are moving, when we see Sun during the early morning time, we can see Sun. Yes, and the sunset evening time. So when we look at that time at Sun, it appears to us that Sun is moving, right? From like this, it moves. Yes, so if we are standing at this point and we know that sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west. So if a person is standing here, I am looking up, I can see morning side from where sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west. So from here the path goes like this. Yes, so the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So we find that the sun is moving like this. Yes, okay. So we find that sun is moving.